We're approaching Schoolhouse Ridge, so Ballachulish and the Ballachulish Slate quarries are down below us, and in fact the ridge that you can see behind me is all made of slate, which is a bit surprising because slate is very soft. It should be forming the valleys, but you can see it's made this quite sharp arete, so it must be resisting erosion. So why is this slate here so much harder than normal slate? Well, the reason is that underneath there's a big granite intrusion, and the heat from the granite and the fluids from the granite has recrystallized the slate. It's called contact metamorphism and turned it into a much harder rock. And actually it's the same reason that we have Skiddaw and Blencathra down in the Lake District. They're sitting directly above granites as well. But the Ballachulish igneous complex is one of the places where we first understood the complexities of contact metamorphism. So this is a really nice example of the way that slate gets hardened and turns into a hornfels by contact metamorphism from heating from the granite that's sitting underneath it.